Okay, bagong banda. Sweet Blend, yung name ng banda nila. Tingnan natin to. Love the song, one of my top favorites ng mga duet songs.
Well, here we are again.
Rock to his hair, okay.
I guess it must be we've tried it on our own.
Dude!
Deep inside we know we'd be back to set things straight.
Magaling to! Oh my gosh! Grabe yun! Restart!
And I still remember when
Interesting tone, okay?
your kiss was so brand new.
She has her distinct tone. Ang ganda.
Every memory repeats.
Slur.
Every
She
step
got it.
I take retreats.
Nice.
Every journey always brings
Journey.
me
Kailangan ng konting ano sa diction, no?
Out to all the stars and stars. We keep coming back.
Love instruments. Gusto ko yun.
Two angels who've been rescued from the world.
Ano si girl? Mga detalye pa siya, oh.
To all the living true.
all comes down to me.
Nice.
I guess it's meant to be. Wherever
Harmony.
you and me, after all.
After all. Okay, diction lang talaga ang ano dito. Pero the rest, ang galing.
When love is truly right,
Ganun siya ate, no?
it lives from here to here.
Nice. Even the low notes,
It changes as it goes.
automatic harmony.
Oh, we know the way it goes, but it never disappears.
Phrasing is very synchronized.
After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to this
Coming.
new heart.
Naging coming eh. So,
Two angels
tatlo na.
who've been
Pero
rescued
minor lang naman.
from the fall. And out to all the living true.
Through.
All comes down to
Wow.
you.
I guess it's meant to be. Whoever you
What the part? That was different.
to love.
Hindi ganun yun sa original.
Oh, it's just beyond my touch.
You know I needed you so much. After all, what else is there before?
Love that change.
Out to all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And out to all the grieving true.
All comes down to
Love extension right there. Tapat ng utak,
I guess
ate.
it's meant to be. Forever you and me. Out to all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And out to all the living true.
all comes down to
Effortless.
you.
Grabe, wala lang sa
I
kanya.
guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all.
Take it home, you guys. Ang ganda ng boses nila. Yung banda mismo gusto ko kasi may mga ginagawa din yung mga nag-instruments na wala dun sa original. So, nakita mo talaga kung gaano ka creative ang mga Pilipino na mga banda. So, great job guys, and I want to see more. So, if meron pang iba dyan na videos nila na gusto nyo papanood sa akin, i-comment dun sa baba. Thank you guys and see you again next time. Bye.